What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. Today, I'm gonna be talking about what I'm investing in 2022 and what not to be investing in. And then I'm gonna be talking about oil. I'm gonna be talking about Bitcoin and crypto notes. I'm gonna be talking about Roth IRAs. I'm also gonna be talking about physical metals that I've started to buy. But first, let me introduce you the bipolar special. The entire outfit that I bought while I had a manic episode in 2020, but this is the example of what not to invest in. Waste your money on dumb stuff, man. And I haven't bought anything like this in a long time, and I'm trying to put most of my money into investing, right? So with that said, let's talk about what I'm investing in 2022. So for me, the big theme of 2022 has been oil, okay? Nothing has really been doing well in 2022. Stock market hasn't been doing well. Crypto has been crashing. As we all know, war with Russia and Ukraine has started, and this has completely destroyed the world's oil supply chain. With 3% of the world's oil being produced in Russia, that 3% is not easily replaceable. And we have, the United States trying to ramp up production, but we've been shutting down, oil fields for the last 10 years. And so oil prices are going to be probably going higher. And I am investing in all kinds of different oil related stocks. So the first thing that I'm investing in, and the simplest oil play that I have actually, is a ticker called USOI. This is going to be a Credit Suisse exchange traded note. It's a covered call, ETN, on oil contracts. So basically this is going to do well when oil is going sideways. If you look at the chart, you see that it crashed in 2020, and it hasn't, even though we've been seeing crazy oil prices and gas prices, it hasn't risen that much because again, they do the covered call option, and so if oil increases, they're going to sell off, and that's why this security actually provides like around a 20% dividend, give or take. The next big oil investing related thing I'm looking at is a ticker called AMLP. This is the Alerian Multilateral Partnership, and this is basically a way for oil companies and natural gas companies and different companies on all levels of the supply chain relating to natural gas, oil, and storage and transportation. Basically, this allows you to invest broadly into the energy sector and lets you save a little bit on the tax. And I've been talking about what I'm investing in 2022, and actually most of my investments have been within my Roth IRA account. And this is basically, if you don't know, a Roth IRA is a retirement account that you basically cannot take payments from until you're 59 or it's been a certain number of years. I haven't built one of those in the past because I was kind of dumb, but now I'm trying to work on it. So even though it's way smaller than my individual brokerage account, I'm still putting most of my money into the Roth IRA, trying to hit that 6K, and then putting the rest into the brokerage account, which is with Fidelity. So I got my Roth IRA with SoFi because I like using their banking system, and also I'm an investor in their company. And I have my big main trading portfolio is with Fidelity, which in my opinion is the best brokerage by far. And I'll make a video on why you guys should use Fidelity later. The other thing that I'm investing in within my Roth IRA are crypto notes. GBTC, ETH for Ethereum, and then there is the Bitwise crypto index fund for altcoins. That's going to be ticker BITW. But be careful with that one because it does charge a 2.5% management fee, which I was surprised to learn at Consensus when I was talking to Bitwise actually. And they did tell me that they're planning to get that management fee down, but I would still be a little careful because that's a huge management fee. And finally, the last thing I've started to finally invest in 2022 are metals. So it's always been hard to invest in gold and silver. I mean, you can do it through your exchange account. You can buy the exchange products that represent the price of gold, or you can buy gold miner ETFs or gold mining companies, and I've done all that, but I've actually wanted to start buying physical gold, physical silver, and platinum myself, and I've done that through an app called One Gold, which is the new app from APMEX, which is one of the largest bullion and gold dealers in the world. And this app allows you to actually invest close to spot price, as close to spot as you're gonna get if you're not a bulk dealer. So again, No Cap Invest is about having a balanced portfolio, being curious about investments and doing your research. The way I see portfolios is it's like chainmail. Every link that you add to your portfolio makes it a little bit stronger, because chainmail works better with the more links it has because it distributes the force when you're hit. Same thing with a portfolio. I like to have as many diversifications as possible in as many industries as possible, different types of exchange traded products, crypto, stocks, bonds, metals, whatever, dude. Diversification is king.
Seriously, please see a mental health specialist if you have a sudden urge to buy copious amounts of dumb shit. The money could be spent investing in your future.